There are hundreds of chocolate chip cookie recipes out there. Everyone has their own favorite. But in my book, this recipe really stands out. The flavor and texture of these cookies are unbeatable to any other recipes. These super crispy outside and soft and chewy inside pecan chocolate chip cookies are the best. I will start by adding 75 grams room temperature butter and 75 grams vegetable oil, and also 1 cup brown sugar and 1/4 cup white or raw sugar. It is easy enough to make chocolate chip cookie by hand, but an important step is this process called creaming. Using your spatula and rubbing against the side of the bowl. Cream the butter and sugar together. It lends the structure to the cookies and they hold together so they won't crumble apart. As soon you see this creamy consistency, then add the eggs. You need 1 egg and 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract. Another way to promise a super chewy chocolate chip cookie is to use an extra egg yolk. The extra egg yolk adds richness, soft tenderness, and binds the dough. In a large bowl, whisk the flour, baking soda, cornstarch, and the salt together. I am a big fan of cookies that are crispy on the outside but chewy on the center. Cornstarch will ensure they will stay soft in the center. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix together with a large wooden spoon. Mix it all until everything is combined together. Fold in the chocolate chips and chopped pecans. They may not stick to the dough because of the vegetable oil we used, but do your best to combine them. Make sure the pecans and chocolate chips are really worked into the cookie dough batter. You want every bite to get more than 1 chips and nut. Cover the dough and chill in the fridge for 1 hour or up to 3-4 days. Chilling is crucial. I highly recommend chilling the cookie dough for less spreading. Roll the dough into balls, about 3 tablespoons of dough each. The dough will be crumbly, but the warmth of your hands will help the balls stay together. Roll the cookie dough balls to be taller rather than wide to ensure the cookies will bake up to be thick. Place 8 balls of dough onto each cookie sheet. A question I get asked often about chocolate chip cookies is why you can make the same particular recipe but they bake out differently. Sometimes they spread and sometimes they hold their shape. An answer is, it is the room temperature butter you start with that impacts the way that bakes. To fix that problem, simply pop the dough in the fridge for 1 hour. When it sets the dough, no matter how you start with your cookie recipe, they will always bake out beautifully. Bake the cookies for 15 minutes on preheated 325 Fahrenheit. Let the cookies cool down on the cooking sheet for 10 minutes before serving. These cookies stay fresh, covered at room temperature for up to 1 week.